Lovelies, welcome back to my channel. So on this day I was craving milky, very rich, soft puff puff, and I decided to make this yummy, so delicious puff puff. I promise you it is so nice. Welcome to the sunshine side of YouTube. My name is Teresa Metuka and you're welcome to my channel today. The first thing that I do is to mix warm coconut milk and warm full cream milk. So remember, when you're working with yeast, to always use lukewarm. You should be able to dip your hand into the liquid that you're making use of. And then I added some sugar and our yeast. Please check the description box for the ingredients, measurements. Mix this together properly until everything is well incorporated. And then the next thing you want to do is to add in whisked egg. Mix well together. Like, this puff puff is so creamy, so yummy, and so milky. It is very nice and so delicious. And then it's now soft again. Oh my god, like I loved it so much. Like I said, I was craving something creamy and something milky. I didn't want to take anything that has to do with just only milk or maybe ice cream. You know, that's what can give me that. But I decided to make this yummy, delicious puff puff, and I promise you it's so delicious. So into this I'm adding all-purpose flour, cinnamon, and salt. Mix this properly together until you have a batter that is smooth. If you're coming across my channel for the first time, thanks for stopping by. Do not forget to hit on the subscribe button, turn on your notifications to get notified of when I drop new videos. And to all my returning watchers or subscribers, those that keep watching my videos, thank you so much. Don't forget to hit on the like button, comment below. I would love to hear from you. This is not just for only my returning viewers, but this is for everyone. If you're watching my video for the first time, do not forget to hit on the like button, comment below. Let me know what you feel about this recipe. If you're going to give it a try, let me know. So the next thing you want to do after you've mixed your batter very well is to cover and let this go for 30 minutes or until the batter doubles in size. So once your puff puff batter has risen in size, the next thing you want to do is to deflate it. This is very important. If you don't deflate it, your puff puff dough batter is going to keep rising, and then it will rise and fall, and this will result to a very bad puff puff. You won't like the taste. It will taste so yeasty. You won't like the way it's going to form. It will not have that shape of puff puff. So it's very important, 30 minutes or when your batter doubles in size. This is ensure that you deflate it, and then you move to the next step. The next step is to fry. And we're frying our puff puff, very important, in deep hot oil. Ensure that your oil is enough to fry your puff puff. If you're looking for a video of how to make your perfect puff puff, a detailed video, I have that. I'll be dropping the link at the description box below, so do well to click on that link. Very detailed recipe on how to make your own puff puff. Like, so many people did that and I got so many reviews, so many beautiful outcomes of beautiful puff puff. So go to well to click on the link below to make your own perfect puff puff. That's if you don't know how to make puff puff. But if you know how to make puff puff, but you want something creamy, something soft, something milky, this recipe is here for you. So delicious, I promise you. I gave this to my sister, I gave to my colleague, and they loved it so much, and I too, I ate it and it was so yummy, and it's very soft. So you're frying this for 2 minutes at both sides or 3 minutes at both sides at medium to high heat, but not too high, because if it's too high your puff puff won't fry all the way through. So let me just say medium heat. That's the temperature at which you should fry your puff puff. If you're watching this recipe on a Friday, this is a sign for you to go and make this for your family on Saturday, for the weekend. oh my goodness, they are going to thank you. It is very simple, as you can see, and it's very, very yummy, and it will come out perfect. As you can see the way how perfect this puff puff is. So you can decide to put your puff puff whatever size that you want to go with your puff puff. I wanted it to be smaller. I love my puff puff this way. As you can see, I was going for the bigger size, but I changed my mind, and I was trying something else anyways. So that's why you can see there's one that is a little bit bigger than usual, but this is the way I love my puff puff. You can see in this other part of this video, this is a size at which I love my puff puff. It is so attractive and so yummy and so delicious. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, do not forget to hit on the like button, comment below, share this video. Thanks a lot for watching. I'll see you on the other flip side. Bye for now. Lots of kisses. Catch you on the other flip side.